hit down.
Woo! I bet that woke you up.
I'll do what I can.
Box up here, dude. It's cool. It looks good.
Yeah, he knows what he's done wrong now. What is it?
Let's see now. This wasn't the rider that started out, was it?
No,
No.
picked it up.
Same bike, different rider.
He's here.
Came up fast, blew his shirt off. Oh, there's the rider.
Well, he hurt. He's fine. They ain't hit it hard enough.
You wheelied into it.
Yeah, I know. There's a little hump right there. When you come over it, you don't really come off the ground. Where it kind of dips right there. Yeah, I didn't come off where I wanted to.
Yeah, you squirted too. Oh man, I seen the front wheel popping. I thought, oh, yeah. You hit that rock too.
I think I broke a toe.
Benny, are you next?
Oh, you did? No.
You're not next? Oh, me either. I'll go right after you do.
I'm gonna get it.
What happened?
Yeah, but you know what you done now.